From the moss-draped rainforests of the Olympic Peninsula to the majestic peaks of Mount Rainier, to islands that rise like forgotten dreams out of the sea. This land is wild, poetic, and filled with stories. So, how did this corner of America become one of the most geologically unique places in the world? What secrets lie beneath its emerald forests and misty shores? Stay with me, because what you're about to see is a Washington few people truly know. And you might wonder, why has no one told you this before? Olympic National Park in Washington covers over 373,000 hectares of mountains, forests, and coastline. Its rugged coast has rocky islets shaped by a constantly changing shoreline, while glaciers form here at unusually low elevations.